Hello everybody, this is Anthony here. Today I'd like to show you a new technology. How much do you know about the fiber laser welding machine and how does it work? I will show you. Let's go. Here is the fiber laser welding machine. Compared with traditional methods, it is powered by fiber laser device directly. The auxiliary gas is nitrogen, and as you can see, the machine is removable. When you start to work, the fiber line is about 10 meters. You only need to hold the laser head. It's not only high efficiency but also easy to operate. Now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Follow me. Wow, it's perfect, welding faster and more precise. Higher strength joints than other more traditional technicals and also versatile. If you require more information and also any questions you need, please feel free to contact us. See you next time. Bye.